Hi guys, this is here with another video. We out here on a straight reverse. Here, as I showed you at first on the first video, guys. This is a straight reverse. Here we show you how to full clutch brake. Here we show you how to reverse. Here we make sure that we show you everything. We make sure that we show you how to fill the car, because of now when you reverse, the car needs you to multitask. So you don't have a choice, guys. You gotta multitask. And then this is our straight reverse. And how we're gonna do it, I'm gonna show you now, guys. So you relax, take your time, keep your composure, then stay tuned for more lessons. I'm gonna show Virginia, my client, on how we reverse. So I'm gonna make her relax. I'm gonna keep her calm, and then I'm gonna ensure her that she can do it. So let's do this. Let's start. When you reverse, guys, you make sure that you do everything thoroughly. You make sure that you observe. You allow your eyes to control your hands. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it is like that. It works like that. Driving wants you to let your feelings go. Want you to be the flow. Don't follow the flow, because when you follow the flow, you're gonna make more mistakes, and when you think of it, you're gonna make mistakes. So make sure that you don't think of it. When you see it, fix it. So it's gonna work like that. So how we do it? Just gonna start by hitting the full clutch, hit the reverse, do a reverse, push it on your right side, and then pull it down whilst you're pushing it. Nice. And then when you reverse, guys, you look at your mirrors. As you can see here on the mirrors, you can see the lines that are going back straight. As you can see, the lines that are going straight on our left side, and then on our right side, there are the lines that are going straight. We're gonna make sure that we go up straight without going over the line, because of now, if you go over the line, that means you fail. So what I'm gonna show my client Virginia, I'm gonna show her how to relax and reverse properly with using her feelings. Nice. So let's do this. So you start by releasing your clutch, and then you look at your mirrors. Your mirrors should tell you how your truck goes. You look at your truck, guys. What you look at when you reverse, you look at your truck, where it's going. Remember, when you turn on your right, it will go on your right. When you turn on your left, it will go on your left. So you make sure, guys, that the car goes where you want it to go. And full clutch brake. Nice. Next time, we make sure that we don't pass the line. When we're here at the straight reverse, there's two lines that are written down here. So the line that you shouldn't pass with the front tires is this one. The front tires, you shouldn't pass the front line. The first line, you should let the back tires pass the line, but the front tires shouldn't pass the line. So you make sure that when you reverse, you observe in your mirror, you look at the line, and then before you arrive on it on your front tires, you stop. Then that will tell you straight that you arrive at the line, you're perfect. Let's do it again. Yeah. Okay, one. Let's go. Let's do the straight reverse again. Nice. Good. Control your car properly. Make sure that it's in the line. It's going up straight. Nice. Good. Nice. Good. Nice. Then she's gonna go back bit by bit, just to ensure herself that she's going properly on the lines. Then put on R. Then let's go. Nice. This is our straight reverse, guys. Virginia's gonna make sure that she stays on the line by looking her mirrors. She's gonna look out for the truck. Then stop. The problem that she did now is to turn the steering wheel so much in such a way that she couldn't even control it. So the best way is to control it. Don't turn too much. When your tires are straight, let me show you guys how you do it. When the tires are straight, when you reverse, if you need to turn let's say your tires are straight like this.
Yes.
If you need to turn on your right side, or if you turn on your right side, when you turn, your steering wheel should turn and end up here, guys. It should end up here. Yeah, when you turn. And then you look at your mirror. The truck will turn, but slowly, bit by bit. Don't rush it. Everything will go in order, into your order. So you make sure that when you see yourself becoming straight, you bring back your steering wheel, your tires are straight. Even if you want to go to the left, you do the same thing. When you turn, you end up here, guys. You don't go overboard, because of now, if you go overboard, your car is gonna go too much on that side, and then it's gonna go over the line. So you make sure when you turn, you end up here, and then you pull back your steering wheel bit by bit when you see your truck become straight, and then it will become straight when your tires straight. So you make sure that everything you do, guys, you relax, keep your composure, and then you do it properly. Don't worry, let's do it again. This is our lessons, so don't take it as a mistake, guys. When we learn how to drive, we don't do mistakes. What we do is we fix them, we find solutions. We don't treat it as a mistake, we treat it as a lesson. So make sure, guys, we keep our composure. When we learn, we don't get scared, because of why? We're learning, we don't know it. So that's the reason why we should keep our composure and do everything perfectly. But we have to get used to it in order for us to become perfect. So when you're learning, guys, please don't beat up yourself that you want to do a perfect thing whilst knowing that you're learning, you don't know it. Just keep your composure and try to enhance everything that you'll be taught in that moment. Nice. Then we're doing a straight reverse again. As she's going at the back, she's making sure that she's allowing her eyes to control her hands. And then everything, full clutch brake. Nice. And then she made sure that she stays on the line. As you can see, guys, we almost passed the line, but we didn't pass the line. That means we're okay. So nice one. So day by day, when we keep on training, that will improve our driving, that will improve our skills of driving. So every time when you learn how to drive, just relax, don't get scared, don't be mad at yourself. When you make mistakes, take mistakes as lessons. Nice. Now we're done here at the straight reverse, guys. That's how we did it. We're done here at the straight reverse, guys. So you keep your composure. Don't make yourself want to do everything in one day, because of now it won't do it in one day. You gotta get used to it. Take your time. Reflect on it. Make sure that you enhance it. Make sure that you try to tell yourself that you can do it. Then you can do it. Nice. Now we're going to the poles. I hope you'll stay tuned, guys. In our next video, we're gonna do the poles now. Have a good one, guys.